Click on the link below to get price. The WEN Quiet 6800W dual-fuel RV-ready electric start portable inverter generator is a versatile and powerful solution for both recreational and emergency power needs. One of its standout features is the dual-fuel capability, allowing users to operate it on either gasoline or propane. This flexibility not only enhances convenience but also provides options for fuel availability during emergencies. From the moment you power it on, the generator impresses with its remarkably quiet operation. At 57 dB, it's quieter than many standard generators, making it ideal for camping trips or tailgating where noise could be an issue. The electric start feature simplifies the ignition process, eliminating the hassle of pull starting, especially beneficial for those who may struggle with traditional starting mechanisms. With a robust 6,800-watt surge capacity and a running wattage of 5,500 watts, the WEN generator can easily handle the electrical demands of an RV or provide backup power for essential household items during an outage. It includes multiple outlets, including two 120V household outlets, 112V DC outlet, and a 120V RV outlet, accommodating various devices and appliances. The generator's lightweight design, complemented by a sturdy wheel kit, makes it easy to transport, which is a significant advantage for users on the go. The fuel efficiency is commendable, with the generator running for up to 8.5 hours on a full tank of gasoline at a quarter load. Users can also monitor performance through the built-in fuel gauge, ensuring they are always aware of fuel levels. However, while the WEN Quiet generator excels in many areas, its price point might be slightly higher than some basic models. Nonetheless, the combination of power, efficiency, and low noise levels makes it a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking reliable portable power. Overall, the WEN Quiet 6800W dual-fuel generator stands out as a superb choice for RV enthusiasts and those needing dependable power solutions.